In this video, I want to go over the importance that the part of the song you put in your ad can actually play and how well your Facebook ad campaigns actually go when you're promoting your music, mostly on Spotify, but really on any platform, it's going to be the same kind of thing. I mentioned this before in a couple of videos, but I feel like it deserves its own video because this is something that people get wrong so many times. You don't just want to put one video inside of your ads. You can either do multiple different ads inside of your ad set, or you can do a dynamic creative where you upload a bunch of videos and stuff like that. I normally do this just because it's easier to see how things are going. Normally I do multiple ad sets. For this one I'm doing one, and then I'm going to kind of wait, and then I'm going to do another one. I'm just trying a different approach, basically. So ignore that if you're wondering why there's only one. This video is about the different videos. Now, in this case, I wanted to do a pure, like 100% pure test. This video, this campaign has 4 videos. They have the exact same visual. There's not even a timing change between the visuals. It's the exact same. The only difference is the part of the song I put it over and lined it up over. So this is truly a test of just how much of a difference the individual parts of a song can do. So I have the chorus of the song, the drop of the song. This is kind of like a dubstep metal track. There'll be a link in the description if you want to check it out. Verse 1 and verse 2. So you might have already seen some stuff on the screen, which one did better, but if you didn't, take a guess and put in the comments what you think was the best. Just write it out. And then I'm about to show you it. So go write it down below and then keep some space and then describe, like, you know, how much your minds were blown. So if I scroll over, this is the number of results we got in all these different categories. If I go through and look at the cost per result, the most expensive one is the chorus. The least expensive one is verse 2. Which is funny because this is actually exactly what happened with my song Chains. And almost every song I do, probably 75% of the time, it's not the chorus that gets people going. So a lot of you, I've seen, will just use a clip of the chorus with different visuals over it, which is good. You want to test different visuals too. But a lot of you will just use the same part of the song with different visuals. And clearly that's not the way to go. You need preferably both different visuals and different parts of the song. So if you have a music video and you just cut different chunks of the video out, make sure you're cutting out the different chunks of the song as well and not just overdubbing the same audio across it. Because 29 cents per conversion versus 11 cents per conversion, it's like almost a factor of 3 in cost. And obviously, like, this is a new campaign. It's only spent 11 or 12 bucks. It's been out for like 12 hours. So it's early. This might change, but early indication, the early results are showing that the best performing ad is verse 2. So let's actually just, well, here's the ad on screen just so you can kind of know what it is.
Come inside. All you do is lie there for me.
And so now that you've seen it, like, it's literally the same visual just with different parts of the song. So this is a short video, but I wanted to just make this own thing. Like, don't just put the same audio in different visuals and test it with different ad sets. Like, it's great to have different ad sets and different visuals, but apparently the part of the song is critically important, which is kind of a beautiful thing if you think about it, because that means the music actually matters. Who would have thought, right? In marketing, the music actually matters. It's a nice sentiment, but it's true, and it's kind of been proven to me time and time again. So anyways, if you want to see how I set up these campaigns, you can check out this playlist right here, or you can check the description for my course and consultation schedule and stuff like that. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.